So I bought this and I'm about to install this trailer brake ram. I read through the instructions, so make sure first of all you disconnect your battery. But before I go ahead and install, everything is pretty much installed. Just wanna put this part of the first video so you guys don't have to go through what I had to go through. So to take everything off, in addition to the instruction, you have 2 bolts, 2 Torx over here, T20, and then a T20 here, and then you pop everything, right? Well, that's not the case. Installation of this whole thing is pain in the ass, so I had to take this off right here. There's 2 screws over here. Just take this rubber piece off. 2 screws. This chrome part pops off. Pop this up. There's no screw over here, so you pretty much pop everything off. So I suggest doing that prior to taking everything off. If not, you'll end up the scratches here, and I broke a clip down here. So just take this off and then take the 2 Torx, 1 Torx, pop this off, slowly work her out, and then done. So that's it. Hey, what's up, YouTuber? I have a 2014 Eco Diesel. I did have the air suspension, but I bought it used, so I didn't have the brake trailer in there. So I bought this from Amazon, and reading at the installation is pretty basic. So I did bought this plastic panel trim removal, so it won't scratch my interior, and I'll see if I can get this done in an hour and a half. Okay, I was looking at the bracket. Had to pre-drill the screw into the hole here, so once I put the bracket in the right location, it will be easy for me to hand start the screw. So that's all I did. Move the rubber piece in there, and there is a T20 Torx, and remove those Torx bits out. So I had to take this tray out using the plastic pry bar. I had to work it out from the middle. There's 3 tabs, and then pretty much carefully took this out, and everything seems to be okay. Okay, so I pretty much worked from the top. I was pulling this till I hear the clip popped off, and I worked on the side. But don't yank it too hard. Try to feel it, see if there's any pressure point. There is a screw over here that I took out. See so there's 1 screw there, and on the bottom part you're gonna have to work this thing out. Just keep working it out. I was pushing this down because there's a clip there. There's the clip right here. I was pushing this down. Took the screws on this one, see if it's gonna make a difference. It did, because those 2 screws here is connected to the lip, the bottom part of this. So just be careful on how you're taking it off. Just pay attention. Once everything is off, felt the pressure behind here, so I have to take the harness out, and I'll go from there. So going through the screen through here, right? So I had to take this off first. This was the shortest harness. Took the second out right here, and I'm taking out this part. So then most of them you can't mix match them, so they go one way. Other than that, I'm ready to take out the control bottom part and install the switch, and then I will be working on the control module. I got this thing off. You're just gonna have to take the 4 screws, Phillips screw head from right here, and obviously you'll see it, and then pull the tab outwards and just work it out, and it should pop off easily. So I pried this off using this plastic pry bar. Pretty much it was like that, and then I was just propping this side here, and it popped off. Now I'm putting the new switch. Here's my new switch, and look at this thing. Wait, that thing is the other way. There you go. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop this in there. Make sure it's flush. It is flush, as you can see. Not a whole lot of effort. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Well, I don't have the 2500, so I don't have the, I guess, the engine brake here, or exhaust brake. But I'm gonna put everything back on. Simple as removing it and work on this module. I took the 2 screws out. And when I bought this truck, it has this kind of switch. So I don't even know what this is. If you guys know, just comment below, because I have no idea. But this time I'm about to remove this panel off, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I popped this off. There's a clip right there. Popped it off a little bit and then pushed it up, and it popped off. So that's it. One thing, I don't even know what this is. It's like a, I don't know, it's like an air quality thing. I don't know what that is. So, but there's the harness for the module for the brake trailer, and then but to install the bracket first. It's from right here, but I'm not sure if yeah, the screws probably needs to be on the other side, so that way this plate will fasten. So, and I know the top bolt there is it's a pain in the ass, so I'll see if I can get on that, and hopefully it works out. Okay guys, I got the screws. I got that one real tight, this one real tight. There's no way that thing will rattle or something. I mean, there's no way I could get that top bolt. No way, fuck that. I'm not gonna waste my time on that. So 2 is good, and I did use this skinny 12-point wrench, 7mm. So those are good. Those are tight. Other than that, maybe if it does rattle or something like that, I'm just going to put a bolt in there, and then a lock nut behind it. So, but I don't see that getting loose or anything like that. No way. Alright, other than that, I'm just gonna put everything back on together, and then see what's up. Okay, it's 5 minutes. I've been thinking about how am I gonna fasten that top corner right there. So came up with an idea just to keep it secure. I have a wire thing here that I use for my LAN cable, and I have this metal tab here that is used for something else. What I'm going to do is just gonna have to screw this side here and then hold this behind the bar. It's thick enough that it's not going to rub or poke the wire harness behind that plate, so hopefully it works, and after that I'm done. Okay, so that's the screw right there, and I'm going to just hold it, my tab back, and tighten it, and should be good. Okay, that's what it looks like. Had to push the screw a little bit further and then put that tab right on the screw, and hopefully it'll catch itself while I'm spinning, or yeah, while I'm turning the screw on the opposite side, because it's just me right now. I don't have anybody else to hold the tab and at the same time turn the screw. Alright, winner chicken dinner. Got that shit tight, so I still have a lot of plenty of room for the wire harness, so looks good to me. Snap this module in place. Going to put the harness. I hooked up all my wire harness. I had to disconnect that 110 volt just to have more space or flexibility, but everything is hooked up, so installing it back together. Alright, taking it off is okay, but putting back on is being a pain in the ass. So what I did is pretty much pop this off. First, the chrome part popped off. So I was doing it a little bit of there's no screws over here, so pop this off carefully, making sure nothing is going to get snagged. So now I can actually flush this panel back in there and then put this back on and then screw everything together. So right now it's looking good. Just gonna have to get the dealer program it, and it should be good. Alright, there you have it. Everything's put back together and going to hook up the battery.